Hey everyone, this is Dhruvin, and in this session we are going to talk about how we can call Power BI REST APIs from Power BI Desktop. So now let's get started. We all know that Microsoft launched Power BI REST APIs, and sometimes we need to develop our Power BI report by calling our Power BI Administrator APIs. So in this sessions we are going to discuss about how we can call those REST APIs from our Power BI Desktop's connector. In order to call Power BI REST APIs from Power BI Desktop, we need to follow two steps. In the first step, we need to register one Power BI application to Azure, and in second part, we are going to call our web connector and call our API into Power BI Desktop. Now, I divided this video into two different parts. In the first part of the session, we are going to discuss about how we can register our Power BI application to Azure. And in the second part, we are going to call Power BI REST APIs by generating dynamic access token. So now, let's get started with the first part. So first of all, we need to access URL dev.powerbi.com/apps. Don't worry, the URL is available in the description box. For the first step is we need to sign in with our Power BI account. Just click on sign in, so it will sign in with your account. Now it will redirect to register your application step. Click on next. Now here we need to provide the name of our app. I provided the app name as PBI Admin API Dev. Now from application type, select the native option. Now from API access, select all read-only APIs. The reason is that we are calling these APIs from Power BI Desktop, so we don't need any read or write access over here. So just select all read option from here. Now click on register. So this will provide us an application ID like this. Just copy this application ID for the future reference. I am just copying this ID to my notepad. This was my app ID. Now we need to do one more step here. Now we need to go to Azure. For that, just open portal.azure.com. So this will open the Azure portal like this. Now from here we need to open app registration. Click on ellipsis. From here you have Azure Active Directory option. Click on that. This will open the screen like this. Now from here you have an option app registrations. Click on that. So it will open this type of UI to us. Now from here we need to choose all applications. Now if you open the all application, we have all available applications. Now as we can see that we have registered our application as PBI admin dev, right? So just click on our application and we have app ID like this. From the left navigation, just click on API permission over here. Once we open that, we have all applied permission over here, right? Now from here what we need to do here is we just need to click on add permission over here. So just click on add permission. So it will open this pop-up for us. Now from here we need to select Power BI service. Click on that. Now from here just go to application permission and we have tenant permission here. So just select tenant.read.all and just click on add from here. So this will add this permission over here, right? Now once we do that, we need to perform one most important step. We need to grant admin consent for all the API option. Just select any of the option and click on grant admin consent. So it will ask for confirmation. Click on yes and it is providing admin consent to it. So grant consent successfully. Now let's refresh the app and check the thing. And here you can see that the consent has been granted successfully. You are able to see green symbol over here and it has been granted successfully, right? So in my next session I am going to use same app ID, tenant ID, and we are going to call Power BI admin API from Power BI desktop. So stay tuned on my next video. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.